Okay, so this is part two of the creation of a cab for in particular, this is the A9S. The first thing you'll do is shell the bottom side. So look at the bottom of it, click the shell feature, which is here, and click on the face you want to shell. The approximate shell deck thickness is 0.05, but it wouldn't work with that, so I'm going to shell it just a little bit less. And so now I have the shell. Now I will sketch on this plane right here, sketch, and I will create my center lines, and this is going to be looking straight at it, of course, always smart to do that. There's the center line, so I can mirror my peg after I create one, and then I'll create another center line, but this isn't going to be a center line, this is going to be the line on which the peg is just approximately, as I measured, where the peg sits, 0.09 inches. So I'll smart dimension this line from the front edge, 0.09 inches. Click smart dimension, and there we have it. Oh, it's giving me a degree. Darn it. Okay, so I need to delete out, Control Z. I didn't make a straight line. That's what the problem was. One more time, real quick. Center line has to be perpendicular. So I will make the center line approximately here, and then smart dimension. Now I have it perpendicular to the edge of the car, front, and I have it as 0.9 inches. Okay, now I'll create two circles representing the inner and the outer edge of the peg, and I will dimension those after I create it. I've measured the inner and the outer circles to be 0.29 inches and 0.4 inches and 0.4 inches. And now, I did that one wrong. Oops. I meant to dimension the circle. Did I make a mistake? Nope. Smart dimension, circle, 0.4, and now I have that. Now I will mirror my entities, mirror this and this, about my mirror line, and I like what I see. And now I will extrude these features up and down. So we'll be doing an extrude in two directions. Direction 1, I'm going to change direction 1 so that it goes up. And it's going to go up to next. You see, up to next. And then I'm going to click direction 2, and I'm going to choose 0.29 inches. This is how far the pegs stick down. And I like what I see, so now I have my pegs. The next step is to create the cut that goes through so that pegs can flex a little bit when they're inserted into the hole. So I will find the plane, looking at it in a perspective that allows me to see all three dimensions, and I will drag this plane to the center of, using the control button, drag the plane over. Now, the width of the part, I do not remember precisely, but you need to have the exact midline, and I believe that it is going to be 0.67 inches. Let's see, no, I think it's 0.68. That looks pretty close to center, doesn't it? Maybe it is 0.69. Okay, let's stop messing around here. Should be able to know this measurement, but here we have the plane, and we're going to sketch on this plane in both directions. Sketch on this plane, and you can look straight at it, which is always easier. And I'm not going to measure, but I'd like you to. I'm going to create some lines. I'm going to create some lines here. The pegs themselves. And let's see if this cut extrude works. Extruded cut. We're going to look at my, we have to go in both directions. And remember, not looking at it in perspective doesn't give you very much. You want to go through all, through all, through all, check, and we have the cuts. Look at that. Actually looks good. I kind of messed up a little bit, but you can not mess up and it will look good. Thank you for watching.